In my first year, on my very first day, we had 6 people stand up in front of us and they'd all just come back from placement and they were talking about it, and that day I was like, I'm doing placement. I went to career service, they helped me out, they gave me some information about potential employers. So I researched that. You have to do applications, online tests, assessment centres, interviews. We just had to let them know we obviously wanted to do a placement. And once we had secured one, we just had to sign something and they had to countersign it to say that, well, they were letting us go for the year. My placement was with IBM in Portsmouth, and I was real estate strategy and operations assistant. About half of my work was involved in the energy side, where I worked with the energy manager, focusing on getting energy contracts for the next few years, doing charts for weekly meetings. Then the other half was on an operations side, looking at the whole portfolio, all the locations across the UK. So I travelled quite a bit to each of them. We had to, prepare budgets, scorecards, how we can, any potential areas that we can improve on. But I still had a connection here because my personal tutor at the time, she would always email. I would always, send them updates, let them know how I was getting on. I used to send emails saying, oh, I've just finished my 6-month review, I'm still here, things like that. So it was great that the support was always still there. They knew I was gone. And actually coming back to uni, it was so different because they all knew us. They were so happy to see us, and they wanted us to, share our knowledge with. I think we went to the first years and the second years as well, and we just gave a brief presentation to them about what we had done, things like that. And it was great. I really benefited from it.